Swagbucks does not publish one fixed app size because the storage used can change depending on your device, operating system, app version, and stored data. By the end, you'll know how to check how much space Swagbucks uses on your phone, what affects the storage size, and what steps can reduce unnecessary app data. Start by checking the app storage settings on your phone, instead of relying only on the download size shown in the App Store. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Swagbucks, and check the storage information. This shows the space used by the app and its saved data. On iPhone, open Settings, select General, then iPhone Storage, and find Swagbucks in the app list. This shows how much storage the app is using on your device. The downloaded app file is only part of the total storage. Apps can also create temporary files, saved information, and other data while you use them. If Swagbucks is using more space than expected, check whether clearing unused app data or reinstalling the app is available for your device. Reinstalling removes stored app data and installs a fresh copy. Before deleting the app, make sure your account information is saved and you can sign back in. Your account activity is connected to your Swagbucks account, not just the app installation. Another way to reduce storage usage is to keep your phone's apps updated. New versions can include changes that affect performance and storage. You should also check your phone regularly for apps you no longer use. Removing unused apps creates more available space and can improve device management. Swagbucks mainly requires storage for the app itself and the data created while using it. The exact amount depends on how you use the app and how long it stays installed. If your phone is running low on space, check the storage breakdown first. This tells you whether Swagbucks is actually using a large amount of space, or if another app is taking up most of your storage. To summarize, Swagbucks storage usage varies by device and app data. Your phone's settings show the most accurate number, and clearing unnecessary data can help manage storage. Your next step is to open your phone's storage settings and check the exact Swagbucks size on your device. If this guide helped you manage app storage, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.